Hi, today I want to share with you how Waterfall Enrichment can help you to book more meetings with the help of AI and tools like Persana. So if you haven't heard about Persana, you might know its competitor Clay, or you might have the term Waterfall Enrichment. Today I'm going to show with you a very quick example what this is and how you can use it for your sales team or yourself if you are an SDR or working in sales ops. So I've already created a new table in Persana. And as you can see here, it looks a little bit like Google Sheets. You have different rows and columns here. And in this particular case, I'm going to start with me. Let's assume that we are knowing who the domain name and the name of the person. So what we could do now is maybe we want to find the LinkedIn profile. We have two options now. I prefer the option Google search, or what you could also do with Persana is you can use the Persana agent here. The Persana agent allows you to do a multi-step process to find information about a person. I could say now, please find the LinkedIn profile of name with the domain at linkedin.com/en. Only give back the LinkedIn profile URL, nothing else. So what I'm going to choose now is the language model. I'm going to take the Omega one because it's the best working. I'm going to click on run. And now after a few seconds, I see here that I get back my LinkedIn profile. It's not always working this easily. Sometimes you have to tweak the information you're providing a little bit. But overall, the Persana agent is quite good to get information. As you can see here, if I'm clicking on it, I'm opening my LinkedIn, and that's me. Perfect. So from there on, I could start to add another column. And let's say I want to get my email address. I could say now find work email. And now I could say find my with LinkedIn URL. My LinkedIn URL is here in the column Persana agent v3. I could say run here. And it says now no data found. So I would maybe try another enrichment as well. That's what I wanted to try, hence the name, the Waterfall Enrichment here. And I see now that different providers like Prospero, Datagma, ICPs, LeadMagic are used. And I could now say, how do I want to find it? I could start with the full name. It's stated in name. And the company, it's stated in company in the domain name here. And if I run this, my work email now is queued, and I see it's dennis@highstack.io. And I have to admit, that's true. Actually, that's the company I'm working on right now. And what I could do now is I could use this information here and do an enrichment for the LinkedIn profile. I could now say not find, enrich person, I have here, enrich full person profile. Could now say use the LinkedIn profile URL from Persana agent. I could now choose what I want to add, name, headline, location, summary, and so forth here. Perfect. What I'm going to check is here the name. Click on run. Now what is happening in the background, everything what's interesting about me and all the information I put out of LinkedIn when they are existing. For example, I have no school. And for example, if I wanted to check if I'm my ICP, I could also start and say, I want to enrich the company. So when I'm going to enrichment here, full company details, I could also say here, it's the company URL. I want the headquarter, headcount, followers, company, website, URL, founder year, and so forth. Click on run. And now I get all the information about this company straight into my Persana sheet. See here even with the link. I see the headquarters, headcount, followers, and so forth. So that's pretty straightforward. And I could now start enriching, because what I could say is, for example, I could write a formula is the company size, headcount smaller 10. If yes, write yes. And if no, write no. So what's happening now is this is going to generate a formula. I see here an example, 3 is smaller than 10, so I'm going to save this, and from here I could go further. What I could also do is I could use the enrich feature, go to AI enrichment, Persana agent, and I could now tell something like check the company description, company details, it should be company details, if it is a B2B or B2C company. Reply only one word. So by running this again, you see here that what's happening now is it's read everything what is behind here in this information. What's quite a bit, you can't see it right now. See here, this is all the information that's held by this item in this case. And then as you can see, our company is rated as a B2B company. So I could do even more enrichment, find more things that are interesting about my company. I could start to filter even more. I could start to write personalized copy. For example, I could write some AI copy based on what we are doing exactly, on my title, on my summary and whatsoever, and could start to really do some personalized outreach at scale. And now you might understand why this is so powerful. And what we do at HighStack is we help to create those sales automation. And if you're interested in learning how to do it or want to have this for your company as well, don't hesitate and shoot me a message. I hope this was helpful for you, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.